Hello and welcome back to my channel. I am Ingrid and this is Ingrid Loves Puzzle. And for today's video I want to try a new brand from me, and that is the eeBoo. I have here a round puzzle from them, which I am very curious to see how it will look, how it will feel, how the pieces are. The box is still sealed. I don't know if you can see, but it has some stickers here and here. Now let's see. So the front of the box looks nice. Is like you have the image, also the brand. Also here it says it has a sticker that says it's made of 90% recyclable material. Woman old mother are always good. Vegetable inks. Okay, that's interesting. We have vegetable inks. Now on this part it says, "Behold, a healthy harvest and a vibrant masterpiece, filled with color and nutrition, where its wonders never cease. You may find it does you good to contemplate its parts, as they all come together to create a work of art." Okay, so the puzzle diameter will be actually 23 inches, or if you are using centimeter as I do, 58.5 centimeters. And here we have an image with the actual piece size. Yeah, it's okay. The name of the puzzle is Organic Harvest. It's a 500 piece puzzle, a round one, as I said. Yeah, so pretty cool for spring. Don't you think? Yeah. And we have something about the illustrator on the side of the box. It says that Ellen Hoverkamp, I hope I pronounced it correct, collects and carefully arranges plants and natural objects. Then, using her flat scanner as a camera, she creates vivid, dramatic photos which are perfect for puzzling. Oh, okay. So that's actually a photo of all bad things gathered together. That's pretty impressive. So without further introduction, let's go and open this beautiful box and see what's inside. So let's open the box. So we have here the pieces, which are pretty big. Yes. And we also have a poster, which is nice. And here we have some other designs from them. Yeah, very nice. But I think I will use the box as a reference. Okay, so now let's take a look at the pieces. And what I love the most, the sound of the puzzle pieces. First impression, they feel nice. Doesn't bend really easily, let's say that. Now they have a shine as a finish, a bit of shine, so they will have glare, but not too much. And the picture, the texture is pretty distinctive and clear, and the colors are really nice, which I love. Yeah, I do think this puzzle will be really fun. Really fun. I just want to start it, so let's puzzle. Okay, so I had to take a break and check how you guys are seeing the time lapse, because the thing is, the glare is here. That's how I see the pieces. So yeah, some of them are okay, but this part, which comes from the natural lights that I have, you see, you can't actually tell what kind of pieces. So if I pick this one, let's see, yeah, so the glare is a little bit too big, let's say that way. Also, as you can already saw, I sorted the edges, and right now I am going to do the puzzle. I do like the colors, they are really bright and great, but yeah, also I managed to find those pieces, and this interlocks pretty well, at least these four. We'll see with the other ones, but yeah, let's continue to do this puzzle. About eeBoo, develop the whole child. Our products build a foundation for independent creative problem solving, literacy, social navigation, cooperation, respect, and an appreciation of the planet we all share. eeBoo products are adaptable to a variety of learning levels and needs. Who are we? We believe that being able to tell a story, express your feelings, and speak up for yourself and others are basic skills that need to be nourished through one's life. Our products teach and reinforce these skills while providing opportunities to connect with others. eeBoo celebrates the gloriousness of diversity and difference, and our thoughtfully designed products respect the intelligence, curiosity, and developmental needs of children of all ages and learning levels. Artwork. eeBoo wants everyone to be able to recognize themselves in the illustrations we commission. At every developmental level, we have always offered images that normalize inclusion and encourage empathy across our beautiful difference. Design. As designers, we draw our inspiration from the rich history of textiles, folk art, and art history, scoring flea markets for bits and of beautiful ephemera, Russian candy wrappers, petals on old china, early engravings, and forgotten graphics that we creatively reimagine. An eeBoo product is immediately recognizable because of the depth of our design and the breadth of our influences. intergenerational and screen-free. Our traditional play formats are either for family time, they promote conversation and offer old-school fun across generations without the use of technology. Experience and expertise. eeBoo products are developed in consultation with educators, psychologists, writers, artists, parents, and children. In this open dynamic process, we try to practice the values we espouse, carefully listening to our collaborators and arriving together at the best outcome. Products that will engage, delight, challenge, and inform. Hello again, puzzle friends. So yeah, I finished this round circle puzzle from eeBoo, and it was my first eeBoo, and I already saw some reviews on this brand, and it says that it doesn't stay pretty well, but mine actually does. I am yeah. The only thing is that I feel like the pieces are a little thinner than I would like, and some of the knobs already bent um, a little while puzzling. Not sure if I, because I was puzzling very fast at the end, because I really wanted to finish it and I have had somewhere to go, or just because the quality, and that's why they actually stay a little bit up. But overall, this image is very beautiful, and I really love it. It was quite nice and fun. So I have nothing more else to say. I love it. It's a very, not very, but a good quality, and it's a really fun puzzle. I didn't have any misfits, but I think the image was pretty, obvious, and not having misfits because you can easily tell where goes each piece, and because of the image you can see if there are not if the pieces are not in the right spot. uh, the blueberries was a little difficult to do because there was a purple on kind of darkish image, and that was hard to do. Not very hard, but it was harder than the rest of them. Yeah, so that's it. I'll enjoy it. I will maybe do another puzzle from this brand. I must say it's not my favorite, but it's very so. It's very okay if you want a very fun afternoon, relaxing with this puzzle. I think it took me about 2 hours, but I wasn't speed puzzling as I said. I was only doing it for fun. And yeah, now I want to do the pickup challenge, and I hope it will stay together and it will be a success because I haven't had the chance yet to do photos for it. So let's see. Ooh, that was a success. Yeah, as I said, mine stays pretty well together. That's all for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please consider to like, comment if you have something to say me or ask me. And yeah, have you ever tried the eeBoo brand yet? How was what are your thoughts about it? I'm pretty curious to see if we have different opinions. And also please consider to subscribe in order to support me in making those videos. Yeah, so until next time, please stay safe and happy puzzling, everyone.